Well, the Supreme Court has issued notices to Arvind, Kejriwal, Bhushan, Sisodia and Shazia Ilmi in a defamation case. Amit Sibal had moved the court against Kejriwal and Bhushan for alleging that he had taken advantage of his father Kapil Sibal's position to represent telecom companies. Jaskirat Singh Bawa is now joining us with more details from the Supreme Court. Jaskirat, that spells trouble for Kejriwal and company.
Well, absolutely. Now what's happened is that 5th of March is the next date of trial. What the Supreme Court has also done is put a stay on the High Court order. The High Court order specifically was the order where the trial court was asked to consider an application by the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to discharge himself from the defamation case. Now, Amit Sibal, Kapil Sibal's son, who is now recently designated as senior advocate, has approached the Supreme Court suggesting that the High Court did not have the jurisdiction to pass such an order. That order has been stayed, and of course it will be fresh trouble for Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal because he will have to respond to the Supreme Court on this notice filed by Amit Sibal.
Jaskirat, any date set for replying to the notice?
I'm sorry, Maha, come again?
Any date set for Kejriwal and apart from him, Shazia Ilmi and the others to reply to the notice that has been issued by the court today?
Maha, in fact, this particular thing, this response to the Supreme Court will almost coincide with their supposed and scheduled appearance in the trial court in Patiala House by 1 month. 1 month is the time given to them to respond to the Supreme Court's notice on Amit Sibal's plea.
And what exactly were the charges that were levelled by Prashant Bhushan and Kejriwal against Amit Sibal?
Well, Prashant Bhushan and Kejriwal in a press conference had suggested that Amit Sibal, who is the son of Union Minister Kapil Sibal, had taken an undue advantage of his father's position in representing telecom companies in legal matters and had benefited from his father's position. Now, this has been called a defamatory charge by Amit Sibal, Kapil Sibal's son, who had approached the trial court for a criminal defamation case, while Bhushan, Kejriwal and others had approached the High Court for a relief by asking the High Court to discharge themselves from that particular case, an order which was given by the High Court to the trial court. That order has been stayed, as I mentioned before, and it seems that unless and until they can pull up some other card from up their sleeve, they may have to appear in the trial court on the 5th of March.